More electric vehicles, less CO2. GROB is driving electromobility forward and relies on the metrology solutions from ZEISS.
With the combined metrology solutions from ZEISS, we can convince our customers.
GROB in southern Germany's Mindelheim is a leading producer of modern manufacturing systems. The family-owned company with sites in Europe, America and Asia produces accessories for electromobility for all well-known OEMs, just like these stators. The e-mobility solutions from ZEISS play a significant role here.
Here at GROB, metrology is a top priority. We guarantee the quality and precision of our stators. To achieve this, we combine ZEISS microscopy, optical and tactile metrology before, during and after production.
As an incoming goods inspection, the coated copper wires for the stators are analysed on a random basis. Using this light microscope, the Axio Imager Z2M from ZEISS.
We've produced a metallographic section of the coated wire to inspect its cross-section under the microscope.
The microscope works with the ZEISS software ZenCore. With it, the wire is measured and analysed according to customer specifications.
We also measure the thickness of the coating of the copper wire and thereby compare it with the customer's specifications. We also examine whether the dimensional accuracy of multiple wire batches is consistent.
The material has been approved. The wire is being bent into shape. Now its bending behavior is being checked with an optical sensor of the coordinate measuring machine ZEISS Prismo Verity.
To verify whether the wire was bent correctly, we test the end result with the optical sensor on our Prismo Verity.
Only when the geometry of the bent copper wires has been completely approved by the measuring station, the stator is assembled. The hairpins are inserted into the laminated core. They are press-fitted, widened, twisted and welded at the insulated ends.
We've now produced a second metallographic section to measure the welded joints of the hairpins.
This is also done on the Axio Imager Z2M.
The ZenCore software helps me to re-measure results obtained from our other sites in the US or China and to compare them with our results.
Additionally, the positions of the stator's welded joints are now checked again on the Prismo Verity using tactile quality control. Finally, the stator is clamped in the ATOS scan box and measured in its entirety.
With our new scan box from ZEISS, we can now capture the component in its entirety and in the shortest possible time.
The ZEISS software also makes it possible to combine the different measurement results into a complete image.
We can now combine the results of the tactile measurement with the results of the scan box and obtain a perfect result. By combining the various metrology solutions from ZEISS, we can guarantee the quality requirements of our customers. As a result, we impress our customers again and again. GROB and ZEISS form a perfect partnership.